Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a cool gadget that's merging style with technology. The F06 Smart Glasses Open Ear Bluetooth sunglasses. If you're looking for a way to stay connected, listen to music, and still be aware of your surroundings, this might be the perfect gadget for you. Let's explore what makes these smart glasses stand out. Open ear listening design. One of the key features of the F06 Smart Glasses is their open ear listening design. This lets you hear the audio from your device while still being aware of ambient sounds, making it safer for outdoor activities like jogging, biking, or walking. You can enjoy high-quality sound without blocking out the world around you, perfect for staying connected and safe. TWS 5.3 Bluetooth technology. Equipped with TWS 5.3 Bluetooth technology, these smart glasses ensure a fast, reliable connection to your devices. This advanced Bluetooth technology delivers high-fidelity sound, whether you're taking calls, following GPS directions, or enjoying your favorite playlist. The connection is stable and clear, making it easy to use on the go. Touch controls for easy operation. The F06 Smart Glasses feature intuitive touch controls. You can manage your audio experience without the need to reach for your phone or device. Simply press and hold the touch button area for 3 seconds to power on and link to Bluetooth, which will show up as TWSF. To switch off, just hold for 5 seconds. With simple touch gestures, you can connect and hang up calls, play and pause music, and more. Super convenient. These smart glasses come with interchangeable lenses, including both brown and black options. They help filter light and reduce eye strain, especially when you're outdoors. Designed to be comfortable and stable, the F06 glasses fit all face shapes and stay in place even during intense workouts or outdoor adventures. No matter your activity, they provide a snug fit without slipping. The F06 Smart Glasses are also built to handle the elements with a waterproof design, making them suitable for various environments, including rainy conditions. They come with a convenient storage case and a lens cloth, making it easy to maintain and carry them wherever you go. You can stay connected and enjoy your music, no matter the weather. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews and gadget breakdowns. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, so you'll be the first to know when we upload new content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.